Hey everyone, and welcome to my channel. Today, I'm going to be talking about how to contact NBKC. NBKC is a leading provider of financial services, including banking, credit cards, and investment products. They have a number of different ways to contact them, depending on your needs. In this video, I'll cover the following topics. How to contact NBKC by phone. How to contact NBKC by email. How to contact NBKC by mail. How to contact NBKC on social media. How to contact NBKC by phone. The best way to contact NBKC is by phone. They have a number of different phone numbers, depending on your needs. If you have a general question or want to open a new account, you can call 1-800-669-8428. If you need to report a lost or stolen card, you can call 1-800-477-4772. If you need to make a payment, you can call 1-800-669-8428. If you need to dispute a transaction, you can call 1-800-669-8428. How to contact NBKC by email. You can also contact NBKC by email. They have a number of different email addresses, depending on your needs. If you have a general question, you can email protected. If you need to report a lost or stolen card, you can email protected. If you need to make a payment, you can email protected. If you need to dispute a transaction, you can email protected. How to contact NBKC by mail. You can also contact NBKC by mail. Their mailing address is NBKC P.O. Box 8515, Kansas City, Missouri, 64114. How to contact NBKC on social media. NBKC is active on social media. You can follow them on Twitter, Facebook, and Instagram. I hope this video has helped you learn how to contact NBKC. If you have any questions, please leave a comment below. Thanks for watching. With that said, thanks for watching this video on how to contact NBKC. If you found it helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more videos on personal finance. I'll see you next time.